A feature that is available to HerdPlus users on ICBF is a sales catalogue. Farmers can log into their ICBF account and create a catalogue prior to selling their animals. In order to create a sales catalogue, you must log into your ICBF HerdPlus account. Go to Applications along the top bar, and from the drop-down menu we can select a sales catalogue. The screen will display the animals that are currently available in your herd that can be selected to go in a catalogue. There are also a number of filtering buttons available at the top of the screen. So for this example, we will select the animals that have been born on the farm this year in order to put them into the catalogue. So we can see the filter has pulled out 5 animals that were born on the farm this year. As these are the animals to be added to the catalogue, we will select all filtered and the button will turn green. There's also a toggle feature available at the top of the screen that allows you to swap between the dairy and beef animals that are currently available in your herd. You can also select some animals here if you wish to add them into the same catalogue, or they can be added to a different one. Once you have selected your animals that are for sale, you can click on the Continue button here at the top of the screen. From here we can see the animals that have been selected for the catalogue. You can have a look at the list of animals displayed, and there is an option to change the lot order if you want to display them in a different way throughout the catalogue. The arrows on the right hand side of the screen can be used to move the animal either up or down the list, depending on where you would like them to be. If you wish to change their order, just be sure to reset order once you have this done in order to display them the way required. There's also a button to add more animals if necessary. If you wish to add more, it brings you back to the screen and we can select another animal to be added to the catalogue and just click Continue again. Once you are happy with the list of animals and the way they are to be displayed, you can choose the type of catalogue required based on the breed of the animals. So for beef animals, there's an option of a beef pedigree catalogue for pedigree animals or a beef commercial catalogue for commercial beef animals. Similarly, if we swap to dairy, there is an option to generate a dairy pedigree catalogue or a dairy commercial catalogue. As these animals are commercial animals, there are no pedigree animals in it, we will select a dairy commercial catalogue. Once you have selected your catalogue, you can press the Generate Catalogue button at the bottom of the screen. There will then be an option to download a PDF, and if we click on that, it will automatically come to your downloads. From here you can download the report and save it or print it, all depending on which way you want to do it.